In this video, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful laundry bar soap you are seeing. And guess what? I was able to make this bar soap you see me unmolding right here with just two chemicals, just two. In fact, you only need to go to the market and buy one, just one out of the chemical. The other one is what 80%, let me say 80% of human being, we have it at home. It is right there with you at home. So you just need to go to the chemical store, get only one, then come back home and make your soap. This method is very easy. Even as a beginner, you can make your soap. So just keep watching. Let's make this bar soap together. It's very foamy and it cleanses so well. So the first thing you are going to need is your caustic soda. And please, whenever you are making any soap production, like any formulation at all, please make sure you work with accurate measurement. Now, the amount of caustic soda you need, or the oil or the water, depends on the formulation you are using. It depends on the recipe you want to follow, guys. So the first thing we are going to measure now is our caustic soda, and we are going to need 200 grams of caustic soda. So without caustic soda for this particular method, we will not be able to make our soap. So the only thing you need to go to the market and get here is our caustic soda. So you need your caustic soda and your water to make your lye solution. So for the water, we are going to use 450 ml of water. 450 ml of water to dissolve our 200 gram of caustic soda. So the reaction between your water and your caustic soda is what we call lye. I don't know, maybe you've been hearing lye solution, pour your lye solution. This is just what lye solution is all about. Lye solution is about you dissolving your caustic soda inside your water. So after adding your caustic soda into your water, can you see that I'm trying to like bring everything from the paper I used to measure into it, but I am not touching it with my hand. Caustic soda is kind of corrosive. Please do not touch it with your hand. I beg you. Now, if you touch the outer part of this container that I used to dissolve this caustic soda, it is very, very hot. If you are seeing this physically, like if you are the one making it, you will see a visible reaction. There will be an exothermic reaction between water and caustic soda. Like heat will be released to the environment. So after adding your caustic soda into your water, go ahead and stir it gently and set it aside. However, for this particular recipe, I will leave my caustic soda for at least 24 hours so that I'll be able to, number one, get the beautiful outcome you just say at the beginning of this video, and help it to like have a good reaction between the other chemical that I'm going to use. Then it will also lather very well and harden very well. So you can leave your caustic soda solution, your lye solution, sorry, for 24 to 48 hours. That doesn't mean you cannot use it immediately, it cools down, but this is just an advice. So while doing this, you go ahead and prepare your soap mold. It is very important because it will get to a point that you need to be very fast and transfer it to your soap mold. So if you don't have access to soap mold, you can use anything you have that you know that will be able to like serve as a soap mold for you. So I have this soap mold, but it is not going to be enough for the quantity I want to make. So I'll add this our normal disposable takeaway with the soap mold for me to like put my soap batter once and done. I'm done. But one advice I'm going to give is for you to be able to like easily remove your bars from your mold. Please go ahead and grease the mold so that you will not have issue when you want to remove your soap from the mold. Now, what am I saying? This is what I'm saying. I came into my soap mold with just little oil drop, and using the tip of my finger, I am going to grease everything. Like, I am not saying you should soak it with oil. Just grease. Just dip your one of your finger to it, and just the way you see me do in this video. Now I'm going to do everything, I mean the same thing for my plastic container. Can you see I've done that? So I will set it aside. Now this is after 24 hours. Can you see how clear my lye solution has become? Can you see it, guys? So you need to get your mixing bowl ready. Then the next thing that I told you have at home is oil. Now, why I said you have it at home is because I'm not using palm kernel oil. I'm using palm oil. I only bleach the palm oil. So I will transfer my oil into my pot because we are going to need our oil to be warm. We're going to need it warm. So I'll transfer my oil into my pot and make it warm before we continue with our production, guys. So if you have not seen the video on how to bleach palm oil without heat, like just use chemical, then check this channel. I will drop the video link at the comment section. So after making sure that my oil is warm and not hot, please. There is difference between something that is warm and something that is hot. So just for you to know that it is warm that I'm talking about and not hot. This is me dipping my finger into the oil. If it is hot, my finger will not be able to stay this long. So check it, it is warm. Then you start adding your caustic soda solution, your lye solution into your oil, and you start mixing it gradually. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are mostly welcome. Please do well to join this wonderful family by hitting the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you get notified. And to all my returning subscribers, I sincerely appreciate you. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my video. Please do well to like this video, share with your loved ones. So you go ahead and mix your oil and your lye solution to have a smooth batter. Please make sure there is no lump. So you have to be very, very fast. And where I am presently, there is harmattan, so I need to be brisk about whatsoever I'm doing so that it will not affect the outcome of my soap. Like I don't want the batter to like start getting hard before transferring it into my soap mold. So go ahead, mix it well. When you are sure that it is okay, then you come and put it in your soap mold. This is me trying to like be very fast with transferring it to my soap mode. Remember I told you that there is harmattan here currently, so I have to be very fast with whatsoever I'm doing. I went ahead to fill all the mold before I start dressing it and adjusting it to the way I want it to be. However, after adding it to your mold and dressing it, please make sure you hit the bottom of your mold or whatsoever you are using against your work surface so that you will not have holes when you unmold your soap, when you bring your soap out. So after dressing it, this is my soap, then I will leave it and allow it to like dry before I'll come and show you what the soap look like. So this is just less than 12 hours. Yes, can you see how hard it is? Less than 12 to 24 hours. So this is me on molding my soap. Can you see it, guys? So can you see the effect of the oil I put in the mold? It's making it like come out very fast, easily. I don't have to struggle with it. So this is the outcome of our laundry bar soap with just lye solution and oil. Less than 3,000 naira, I made everything you are seeing here. So let's test our soap less than 24 hours. Can you see it, guys? So let's wash with it. Can you see? Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button to join this wonderful family. And if you have not liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with your loved ones. It is very, very important, guys. So with few amount of money and less chemical, very few chemical, you can make your laundry bar soap. Can you see it? So if you want to add color, you are free to add color. If you are using oil soluble color, add it to your oil, dissolve it. If you are using water soluble color, dissolve it in water. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial to the end. Please don't forget to like and share this video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.